Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a part of a series how to solve Rubik's Cube faster using CFOP method. Before getting this series, you should know already how to solve Rubik's Cube using basic method. If you don't know yet, don't worry, I have made another video for beginners with the link I put in the description. Please check that as well and then come back here. Today we will start with the second step of solving Rubik's Cube using CFOP method, that is F means first two layer, or we call F2L. All the F2L cases we will cover in this video, and I also put the time when I solve them. So when you face an F2L case and don't know how to solve it, you can check the time in the description when I solve that F2L case and applies my algorithm. That's quite easy, right? So now let's get started. For the first F2L case, you have two pieces already paired up like this, and you need to insert them down here. Here's the algorithm. And very similarly, you have mirror case. Here in a basic insert, the algorithm, and also mirror case. And another case. Another case which you have the same color on top here. Similar algorithm with another case. In this case, these two pieces pair up in wrong direction, and here's the algorithm. Now these two paired up in different way. Another case, we have this Y color facing up. And another case with now the corner piece located here. Now they paired up with white facing upward. And different cases. This case we have blue at front, red on top, and white at the back side. Same case, but now instead of blue we have red on the front. Now we have the case of the white color facing up, and the app is already in the second layer. So we do U prime twice, and you see now this is basic insert. So I just simply insert like this. And in another case, that white color is still facing up, but now this add piece have the color matching. You see 1 by 2 block like this. Here's the algorithm. And this is exactly the same with basic method we used before. Here's the algorithm. Here we have add piece on top, and this is corner piece at the bottom layer, but in the wrong direction like this. Here's the algorithm. Here's another case with different angle of add piece on top. In this case, Corner and axis are in place but in wrong direction. So first we have to split them up like this, and then using the algorithm we already knew before to solve it. Here also another case that these two pieces get inserted incorrectly. So first we have to split them up like this and use a algorithm we already know before to solve it. Here's one case that we have these two pair both get inserted incorrectly, and in this case we have to take out any of these four pieces and put on top layer. Example, I take this red, blue and white and put on top, example like this, and after that we use the algorithm we already know before to solve it, just like that. So I have shown you all an algorithm to solve all F2L cases. If I miss any F2L case, please put your comment on this video. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on next video. Bye bye.